And another lot recommendation ko naman sa inyo, if you love corner lot, sa mga clients no, na gusto ng corner lot, ang ganda lang kasi this one is Bellflower Street, corner Elwood Street. So dahil botanical tayo, ang ganda ng pangalan ng streets natin. And this is at Block 6, Lot 33 at 390 square meter. Medyo close to 400 square meter, 10 square meters na lang, 400 square meter na siya. And yes po, this is a corner lot po, no? At 390 square meter. And the promo of for as low as 25,000 pesos per month with annual lump sum, 0% interest in 5 years, you can already own this Block 6, Lot 33 at 390 square meters. Yes po, sa mga clients natin, OFW abroad, or sa mga local clients na nagdi-dream na makapag-invest dito sa Premium Village ni Mega World, no? For only 70,000 pesos, i-reserve nyo lang tong lot na to, and after 30 days, you can start paying for as low as 25,000 per month. Again guys, after 5 years, ulitin ko, no? Bakit ko ba siya lagi ulit, no? Why I'm saying this? Kasi guys, all the Mega World Township, guys, once nag-mature ito, na-develop, especially yung commercial district natin, guys, iba na po ang presyo. To think na, no, very limited lang gumawa ng village, and lots po are exponential in price increase. Kumbaga, if i-compare natin sa mga buildings, yung lote, as time pass by and more developments within its area, no, more high-end developments, more offices, more institutional, and many more, mas nagtataas ang lupa. Wala siyang limit. That's the good thing of this. And of course, part tayo ng township, which is at 251 hectares. Again guys, sobrang baba ng monthly nito for as low as 25,000 per month, and anytime you can pay advance payment naman po. Maybe after 5 years, half of it nabayaran nyo na, no? So konti na lang yung balance natin. So sa mga clients na nagla-land banking, guys, call me if you're interested. You can already reserve this lot for only 70,000 pesos and 25,000 pesos per month.